Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the higher time frame to lower time frames. So when we look at the economical events planned on Monday, March 13th, we don't have any high impact news planned. But we have to keep in mind that the news of the Silicon Valley Bank's collapse has changed the trend of the price action in gold. So we can expect the volatility to continue for the coming weeks also. Let us begin with our gold analysis. So I am in 4 hours time frame now, and we already know that the price action took support on the support level of 1804 and started its bullish side retracement, again bounced back, but it didn't have enough bearishness to retest on the support level of 1804, and we have noticed the price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. On the second bounce back, we have noticed a price action to break the previous resistance level of 1855. It has clearly given a strong breakout from this resistance level with a very strong bullish candle. So this confirms the bullish trend continuation in the 4 hours time frame. So when we look at the trend also, previously it was respecting this resistance line and it has given a breakout from this resistance line with a very strong bullish candle. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bullish trend for now. So when we look at the next level of resistance, currently the price action is testing the previous resistance level. So if the price action manages to sustain above this support level of 1864, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1887 or 1890. This whole zone is a very strong resistance zone from the past price action. And if the price action bounces back also, the previous resistance level will be acting as a support level for the future price action. And only when the price action breaks this support level, which means it has to break this previous support line also, then we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame. And any price action above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the chart pattern formation also, since it has given a breakout from this neck level of the double bottom pattern, we can expect it to retrace up to the resistance level of 1887 or 1890. So for now, the current price action is in a bullish trend and taking support around the support level of 1864. And if the bullish side retracement continues, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1887, 1900, 1912, 1923 and 1939. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1864 and makes a bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1850, 1838, 1823 and 1790. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and we already know from the 4 hours time frame that the price action has given breakout from this bearish resistance line, and the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend. So in the future, if the price action wants to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, this resistance line will be acting as a support line for the future price action. And only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the continuation of the bearish side retracement in hourly time frame also. And since the price action has broken the 4 hours time frame resistance level of 1864, we can expect little bit of bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Wait for it to retrace to retest on this previous trend line or support line from the hourly time frame, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trade on the bounce back on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks this support line, you can enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. Always wait for a pullback and a proper support or resistance level before entering on the trade in the bullish side or on the bearish side. There should be a valid reason to enter into the trade. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1864 and resistance level of 1874. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1874, next level of resistance is going to be around 1888. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1864, next level of support is going to be around 1857, 1849 or 50. Next level of support is going to be around 1838 and 1827. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I mean 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, we are noticing it to be in a very nice bullish trend. So I would recommend you to draw a trend line or a resistance line and a support line. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Once the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, breaking this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1864 and resistance level of 1868. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1864, next level of support is going to be around 1859 and 1850. And please refer the higher time frame support levels on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1868, next level of resistance is going to be around 1873, 1879 and 1888 or 90. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I mean 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, when we look at the current trend of the price action, it was in a very nice bullish trend, and as we already know, it has tested this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back to retest on this trend line or support line from the 15 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to enter on the bearish side trade in 15 minutes time frame. And next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern support line from the 30 minutes time frame. But when we look at the overall trend of the price action, it is still in a bullish trend. So I would not recommend you to taking trades against the current trend. So on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1870, next level of resistance is going to be around 1874, 1880 and 1888. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1866 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1861 and 1852. Please refer the higher time frame support levels for the bearish side. So to summarize, we have Silicon Valley Bank collapse news, which has changed the current trend of the price action in gold. And also for the coming week, we have lots of high impact news which will create lots of volatility in the market. And if you are a beginner, I would advise you to stay away from taking trades during the news hours. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.